Okay, Owen Blevins here with Jesse Baker, my buddy, who is helping me demo the new LED table from Ape Labs USA. It's brand new to the market. Very, very cool table. You'll notice that it casts a 50-degree beam through its Fresnel lens. This is a coin, which is a light that can be purchased separately. Everything's controlled RF with our now famous 2.4 gigahertz RF remote control. I'm going to back up here a little bit and just show you. So I'm going to turn off the lights right now, and we can turn them back on real easily. I've got group 1 and 2 assigned to each individual light, and we can control them with colors and fades and all that good stuff. Yes, it's DMX. We use our proprietary wireless DMX technology, very similar to the Swedish WDMX. It is digital spread spectrum with rolling frequency. To make sure that it connects extremely low latency. We've really received some nice accolades on the WDMX, but for today, we're using our little RF remote, which works up to 100 feet indoors and several hundred feet outdoors, line of sight. I'm going to turn it off, Jesse, if you would humor me, and just show everybody how this knocks down, if you would, please.
All right, absolutely.
So you got 3 heights this table comes in. These are obviously the legs for the cocktail table, and Jesse is now removing the first of 3 legs. He just pulls and removes the first leg from its base, and he's going to go around and do the second one. I'll get up to a little close here. Right, just pull on that. It's spring loaded. He pulls the leg out, and then for the third one, I'm going to pull back so you can watch him do the whole thing. There we are. Boom, just comes out like that. Very simple. And if you would just show everybody how the battery comes out. So we've got a little brick, right? That's just a brick that pulls out.
Yeah.
And then you unplug your 2 little USB connectors, right? There we go. And then you can just remove the first coin on the bottom if you want to take it out, right? There we are. And that's just got a little 7-inch pigtail on it. If you can flip that over, Jesse, the light, it's got a 6mm thread built into it, female thread, a receiver for our soon-to-be released swivel mount, which has another magnet on it. But you'll notice there's a neodymium magnet right here built in. And it just popped that on there, Jess. There we go. And that literally just allows you to hang that thing anywhere, right? And it just doesn't come off. It is a strong magnet, ladies and gentlemen. Really cool. And then, of course, our flush mount one that's in here comes out. And Jesse hasn't done this before, but Jesse, I can show you real quickly. Stick your finger right through there and then push, and there you go. It's that simple. That's how that light comes out. Yep, you feed the pigtail out, and you're good to go.
Got to feed it out from this side. There we go.
There we go. Yep, you got it. There he is. Cool, man. All right. So we'll do another video of him putting it together, but that's it for the disassembly.